Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, the Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, back at you with another unboxing video. On my journey to get my portable game up, I have bought another light, and this light that we're gonna be unboxing in first review is the Light Up Digipower Go Viral 120 LED Smart Video Light. It's 120 LEDs, 2 hours of continuous use. It's adjustable brightness control, multicolored temperature modes from 2,700 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin with a 300 milli-hour rechargeable battery. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this open and see how it does. I got my new unboxing knife right here. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Maybe y'all can help me give it a name, but let's get into it and see how it is. Now, rip the box. Didn't mean to do that. Alright, let's see what's in here. The presentation is okay. You know, presentation okay. Not the best, but the presentation okay. Here go the actual light. Here you go with the back and how the back look. It comes with a hot shoe attachment, and it comes with a USB charger to charge it. Alright, let's see, does it have any power? Nope, it doesn't have any power. I'll be right back. What's up everybody? I'm back. I figured it out. I need a little bit of juice. But I got this from Best Buy for $79.99. Again, you might be able to get it cheaper from Amazon or eBay. But we got the hot shoe mount. We're gonna put it on here so I can show you how that goes. But we got it on. So I'm gonna show you. It's kind of neat. It did not come with no booklet to show how to operate it. So basically, you have an on and off switch in the back. And in this on and off switch, you can, well, it has a dial in the back, which a battery indicator to turn it up and down. And as you see, it does get pretty bright. It gets pretty bright. But also within this dial, if I turn it down and I press it once, if I'm not mistaken, it changes the color. See? It goes from white to a yellow color. Yellow color. So it goes from white to a yellow color. So when you want the yellow color, you press it on the yellow or the a different hue, and then it goes up and down from the different hue. So you can turn it down. You can turn it down or you can turn it back up. So say if you want to go back to another hue, you hit the button again, and as you can see, hopefully you can see it, it changes. So it goes from yellow to like maybe fluorescent white. Then you press the button again, and then you can change the brightness. So you can change the brightness. So not only you don't need a diffuser, different color diffuser on here, you can actually change to get different types of hues within the LEDs that's already built into this. And I think for $79.99, for the 3,000 milliamp battery, plus being able to change the hue and the brightness without having to. This is what this is the Sun Pack, and this is what, $39.99. But in order to change the hue, you have to change the plate. See, the yellow plate, you have to change it, and then you have to, you have to press these buttons to go up and down, and brightness. And then it comes with also the you have to use 4 chargeable batteries, or you can power it off just a regular battery pack. So I think for $79.99, this is pretty decent. If you go from, you know, I think anything under $100 is you know, is like going to the store, pick it up type of thing. But this, I think, is nice. It's good. I've used it. It gets really bright, and it gets and it's, I mean, it really gets bright, and it gets dim. But I think I like this a lot better because of the fact it comes with the rechargeable batteries already built in. It comes with the digital, if you can see it back here, the digital scroll wheel, and able to, you know, turn it on, turn it off is good. So for $79.99, I give this for what it does, and for this preview first look, I give it an A. The hot shoe mic can go on any hot shoe. You can also, you know, it's adjustable, so you can have it this way, or, you know, it fits on the tripod, so you can have it on tripod. Give me 1 second, let me go grab a tripod. Here go the tripod right here. And say you just wanted to have it on the tripod. It has a screw under the hot shoe to put it on the tripod, so you can have this placed somewhere, turn it on, and then you'll still have the light being able to be behind you or in front of you to give you better lighting. So all in all, I give this as a first look preview, I give it an A. I give it an A for $79.99. It still helps me with to get my portable game strong. Like I said, I want to be able to take what I do on the road without having to bring everything that's in my office / studio with me, which is more to carry. So this is your boy, the Ghettoographer, coming to you with the, give me 1 second, with the Digipower light up. The Digipower light up. I think it's a good buy for $79.99 with taxes. You're looking at about $85. This is your boy, the Ghettoographer, signing off. Hey, do me a favor, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so we can grow this community, so we can have great content and have some great fun. You have a good day. Peace out.